How's it going, guys? This is Tim with the channel Daily Deals with Tim, where I talk about tech deals, cryptos, and stock deals, all for you guys. And if you guys are interested in this content and want to be notified, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and you guys will be notified when my new videos are out. So today we are going to talk about cryptocurrency mining. Is it profitable or is it not? So it's very tough to answer that question yes or no, but I'm going to say the short answer is yes, it is profitable. But how much of a profit is it? That might depend on which currency or which equipment or where you're positioned. A lot of factors into it. But for today, I'm going to look at the Antminer S9. It's going to be this little beast over here. And this is currently the most powerful ASICs machine out there. So ASICs is basically a powerful crypto miner. So it has a lot of power, a lot of voltage into it, and a lot of efficiency. And this one apparently has up to 14 terahash. So 14 terahash. Oh man, that's gonna be so many GPUs combined. So this is very efficient, but also it is very power consuming and very expensive as well. It goes for around 1,600 at the base value. If you buy it in other resellers, they might charge way more than that. I know that in Amazon, someone was selling it for like 4,500, which is ridiculous. Please do your research before you even consider buying this. Anyways, this thing pulls 1,375 watt out of the wall. So yeah, it's gonna be, the electricity bill is gonna rise up pretty high if you guys are using this machine. Alright, so this is the ASICs Antminer S9, and if you guys are gonna get into mining, I would recommend you guys to start off with this, because if you guys are into GPU mining and trying to do that, set up all that, you guys are gonna need probably a lot of GPUs, and with those GPUs combined, the cost is probably gonna be similar to this one machine or even a lot more. So we're gonna take this into account, and we're gonna do it for Bitcoin. So this is a crypto calculator. So I'm gonna have the 14 terahash from the Antminer S9 with 1375 watt consumption. Cost for kilowatts per hour, it does say it's 15 to 30 cents an hour. So let's go for 20. Oh no, not 20 cents. Okay, so it's kind of in the middle, towards the lower side. Alright, so let's see. So the profit ratio per day is 135%. Profit per month is about 268.56 cents. Profit per day around $9. Profit per week 62.67. Profit per month 268. Profit per year $3,267. So including the electrical costs, if you have one machine, the profit per year is around $3,267. So just with that, you already paid off 2 of these ASICs machines. And if you continue this on, this might just increase and increase and increase. So that's what you guys might be thinking right now. However, there is actually a lot of hidden costs even after the electrical cost. So the thing is that I'm just gonna go to the cost right now. You also need a power supply for these little things here. Not so little, but for ASICs machines, you're gonna need a big power supply. I think these guys recommend a 1600 watt supply or more, which would cost around $300 to $400. So that's added onto it. And also, these guys need to be cooled down because they consume so much voltage. They get hot really fast, and you need pretty powerful fans or cooling machines to cool this machine down. So that's going to be added onto the cost. So cooling machine or cooling fan, plus to power that cooling fan 24/7, that's going to be added electricity in that. So everything combined, so the machine ASICs is 1600 with the power supply, let's say it's 400, that's 2000. Cooling machine, I don't know how much a like really powerful cooling machine costs, but let's just say 300, and then plus the extra electricity for the fan. So it's gonna be quite a bit per, at least in the initial start. It's not just 1600 you're paying for. It's gonna be more than 2000, probably around 2500, counting everything. And so the initial cost is actually a lot more than you expect it to be. However, the pro is that if you are all into this, you could possibly have a lot of profit throughout the years. And you know that Bitcoin does fluctuate from top to bottom, but gradually it is going up. So it might be more profitable. It might be. It's just a prediction for me. But there is another con to this crypto mining or Bitcoin mining, is that there are a lot of people getting into Bitcoin mining ever since Bitcoin started. So right now, the market is ridiculous. It is filled with Bitcoin miners, even all the other cryptocurrencies as well. So if you guys are getting it right now, it is pretty hard to mine Bitcoin. So you're gonna need really good machines like this one, like ASICs Antminer S9, and the difficulty is gonna get harder and harder and harder. But the machine itself has the same terahash power. So that is one con. Also, the price is very volatile, so it might drop one day, making it very inefficient, and it might rise one day, making it very efficient. So you guys have to know that and take that into consideration when you're about to get into mining. And yeah, so those are some points about pros and cons in Bitcoin mining with the Antminer S9. So what else is there? For pros, you could be making profit and possibly pay off the machine and even get more profit after that. So one recommendation that I give to you guys is definitely do your research, because you're just listening off of my advices. That's not gonna do anything. So please do your research, see what equipment you need, see how much money you have and how much money you'll be investing into this, and take everything into consideration. Watch other videos on what other people think about Bitcoin mining. But yeah, definitely do your own research first before getting into this, because this is a serious business. It's not just playing around a couple dollars for a random currency out there. This is a big cryptocurrency, and any other cryptocurrencies is pretty big, and you can make either big money or you can lose big money on this project. So please do your research first. But also, I would say, if you guys are gonna go into this, I would say you guys want to go big, and that is with a caution. If you guys have considered all the pros and cons of this, and if the pros outweigh the cons and you guys want to get into this business, I would say go big. So instead of just buying one of these ASICs machine here, if it was for me, I would probably say, so one machine is 1600. So if I had an investment 1,600. If I had maybe 10 of these machines here, so that would be $16,000 plus the fans. So the one thing good about going big is that when you buy all those machines, you could buy a giant cooler for all of them. You don't have to buy an individual cooler. So it's better going big than just trying to do a couple of them. And that would actually tenfold your hashing power. So your hashing power would be, instead of 14, it would be 140. And power consumption might be ridiculous too, but will that be also tenfold? I guess so. So if you guys do the math, the profit per month is about $2,685. And this is with the Bitcoin at the price right now, which is $4,078. So if this keeps up and Bitcoin increases even more, this can be a very profitable business. However, I have to caution you guys that Bitcoin can drop like crazy one day, or even a couple months, or even a year, or it might rise up crazy in a couple years or a couple months. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency itself is very volatile, and you don't know when it's gonna go down or up. Also, it might go through a hard fork, like what happened with Bitcoin Cash, and there's a lot of unknowns with cryptocurrency. So I would say if you have leisure money, let's say you made a lot of profit from this one business or from this other thing, and you have money to spare other than so if you have money to spare, I would say, and if that money is big, I would say go for it. However, if you're supporting your family and you're gonna like sell your house and take out all your savings to go big on Bitcoin mining, please don't. Because Bitcoin mining, it can be profitable, but it could also drop like a fly in couple weeks, couple days, couple months. So it is a very volatile business, but there is a lot of rewards to it as well. So to cap this up, it's been a pretty long video, but if you're a casual, or if you're going this with a casual route, I highly recommend you do not try this at all. It's better to probably buy it off Coinbase, which I have a link below, that if you buy 100 Bitcoins, they give you $10 of Bitcoin back, or they add it onto your account. So that would be probably a better purchase, in my opinion. But if you're going to go big into Bitcoin mining, I would say have a lot of money prepared as leisure money. So if you guys don't break your bank and don't sell your house and you don't have to go through all that, you have a lot of money to spare, then I say you should try going into this as a side, like a hobby-ish. But anyway, yeah, that was a little long-winded, but that is my take on mining, crypto mining, and my pros and cons in mining there. So until next time, I'll bring you guys more deals on tech, crypto, and stocks. So I'll see you guys next time.